Good morning, kids. Today I'm going to teach you the lesson, the yellow butterfly. Yeah, hearing the word butterfly, what will come to your mind? Yeah, it is an insect. It is not only an insect, it is a very beautiful insect. And you all kids love those butterflies, no? You love to catch them also, no? Yes. Okay, let's read what is this, the yellow butterfly, okay? A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. So, one yellow butterfly, no, it it was flying around the Sonu's garden. Sonu, it's a name of a boy, okay? So it was flying in the Sonu's garden, it seems. Which color butterfly? Yellow color butterfly. So next, Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. So when Sonu saw that butterfly, no, he was running to catch that butterfly. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer and closer and still close, but then off the butterfly flew the butterfly. So what happened? When Sonu saw that butterfly, no, he wanted to catch it. So where was that butterfly? It was on the rose bed, okay? So it sat on the red roses. Rose bed means piece of ground for roses, okay? So this Sonu slowly and silently means quietly, okay? He was walking to catch the butterfly. So he came very close to the butterfly. But what happened? The butterfly saw him and the butterfly flew away from there. Let's see what happened next. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. So first butterfly sat on the red rose. Now the butterfly, where did it go? So there was a pond, it seems. Pond means it's a pool, a small water body, okay? So there in that pond there was white lotus, okay? So around that white lotus there were round leaves, okay? So they were floating in the water. So butterfly, it sat on the floating leaf, okay kids? So Sonu, he went there also to catch the butterfly. He splashed, means slowly he put his hands on that leaf. So what happened? The butterfly came to know that Sonu is near me to catch me, so it flew away again. So next, let's see what happened. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up he climbed up. Back it flew down from the tree. So from that pond, where did this butterfly go? It was sitting on a pretty flower. Where was this pretty flower? It was on a peach tree. Okay kids, peach means it's a kind of fruit. So this Sonu, no, he looked up and he looked down. He looked near the wall also, but he couldn't find the butterfly anywhere. So this butterfly was sitting on a peach tree, and that peach tree had pink flower, okay? So there that butterfly was sitting. So this Sonu said, yeah, I can catch you. So he climbed up the tree. Up and up he climbed. But what happened? He would have went slowly to catch that butterfly. But Sonu, what he did know, he shouted loudly, I can catch you. Okay. So in saying that, he climbed up and up the tree. But the butterfly came to know. So what happened? It flew again down from the tree. Okay. Next, Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. So when the butterfly came down from the tree, no, even Sonu also, he jumped down. Okay, he chased for the butterfly. Chased means what? Followed, okay, the butterfly. First he followed the butterfly when it was sitting on the rose. Then he went near the pond where it was on the leaves, okay, lotus leaves. And then he went up the peach tree, but there also he couldn't catch the butterfly. Okay kids, now let's see what happened. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. So Sonu, he couldn't find the butterfly now. Okay, here and there, everywhere he looked. At last he found the butterfly. Where? Let us read. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Okay. So this there was one big spider's web, it seems, in the peach tree. Okay. There this butterfly was caught, where in that spider's web. So it tried very hard. If it fluttered its wings also. Okay, fluttered means moved, but it couldn't come out from the web. Okay kids, so it twisted also, it turned also, but even then it couldn't escape from that. Escape means run away, okay, from that spider's web, because that spider's web, no, it held it very tight. So next what happened? Poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. So what happened? No. So there was one big spider in the center of that web. It was very hungry, it seems. So it wanted to catch the butterfly and eat it. Okay. So it came closer and closer. Who came closer and closer? This black spider. Okay, it came closer and closer to the butterfly. Here crawled means to move by dragging the body on the surface. Okay. Next let us see. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. So before this hungry spider would grab means to take something with a sudden movement. Okay. So before it could grab the butterfly, Sonu, he ran there and he caught the butterfly. So next let us see what happened. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Okay. So when Sonu caught the butterfly, no, that butterfly was very pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Okay. So that butterfly, no, it had brown spots on its yellow wings. So Sonu, he loved that little butterfly. It was very beautiful. So but that butterfly, no, it looked very sad because it was in Sonu's hand. But Sonu wanted that butterfly to be very happy. Okay. So let us see what happened. What this Sonu did. Go, said Sonu, fly away. Very good. So Sonu said, go butterfly, go. Fly away from here. So next he let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So when Sonu noticed that the butterfly was sad in his hands, no, he allowed the butterfly to fly away. Okay. So this butterfly, no, first it went near the red rose. It sat on that. Then it went near the peach tree, and then it went near the lotus leaf. And so merrily means happily. Okay. It flew from one flower to another flower, one flower to another flower. So this butterfly, no, it was flying all around Sonu's garden. Okay, happily, because it was free once again. So kids, this was about the lesson, the yellow butterfly. Okay, so what you have learned from this lesson? See, you should not harm, or you should not catch any insects or animals. You shouldn't tease them. Okay, so it will hurt them, it will make them sad. So see this Sonu, first he wanted to catch the butterfly, but later on he came to know that butterfly, if it is not happy when Sonu caught him. So what he did, he let the butterfly go. So this is what you have to do, means you shouldn't trouble or harm any birds or any insects, and even plants and trees also. Okay, so you should be kind to them. Okay kids, so this was the lesson you have learned from this lesson, the yellow butterfly. Okay, you all enjoyed this lesson, no? Okay kids, have a good day.